I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradict me. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi guys, I'm back. I'm trying to be consistent. So I'm not going to put the bag of chattings because I'm sick. You guys, my iron is low and my pressure is very high. Because I'm saying I'm drinking enough water and all of that. The medication they put me on, guys, we got doctor like, I think it was 2 to 3 days ago. They put me on this vitamin and then give me this. You want to gain at least 10 pounds because I'm literally 100. But we have 100 pounds. You could get away 100 pounds. Ah! What the fuck? That's actually nice. Yeah. Guys, today I just feel like I'm going to show you some of my birthday gift them. Most of my birthday gift was money. Like, I'm not gonna lie. The gift, I feel like I'm going to open them. We don't know. So let's go. This is the big
hold
bag.
up. Wait a minute.
Bag on a tier. But yeah, we're going to go through them. I'm going to show you. Who remember a couple weeks ago when we post and asked which store in Kingston sell things? Somebody buy one thing to my birthday. Like! Look at it. It look so nice. I don't know girl foot small so it gonna look good. I'm gonna try it and I can't see the bag but oh no, I'm gonna take picture and I show.
Oh, that's right.
This is such a thoughtful gift, like love French kiss. I love this. Next, we got this cute alarm clock. I really like the fact that I have an alarm clock in my room. I don't know when I'm going to put it yet, but when I put it up, I'm going to see. I like the fact that it has a mirror in it, like a mirror settings, and it works with battery and it also works with a plug-in. I don't know how to do the card. I'm going to use battery and I'm going to show you how it looks. Such a thoughtful gift too because I like home things. Anything we do with house, I like. So yeah, that's one. Here is my favorite gift. Probably one of my favorite gifts them was CJ by me, but he pulled it already. So yeah, this is actually a planet projector. This is so fucking nice. It's a type of ceiling I'm having in my house. I'm gonna show you in the night why I say so. But this, I don't know. CJ literally always think about the dopest gift them for give me, like him just know what I like. It come with a manual, come with a remote, and of course this is it, and it come with a card for charge it too. Like it's such a thoughtful gift. I'm gonna just turn it on, but I'm gonna show you it's not a night. So this is when it turn on, it make a noise. That's the connecting. You can connect to your phone and you can play music. But I'm gonna show you later how awesome this light is. Like literally this is how it look. In case you guys wanna see more of it. This is the button them with it on it. So we're gonna try it and see. We wanted to get a better view of this, so I'm zoom it out. See, the lights automatically change because they can auto change. It is. I'm gonna show you some cool things about it now. This is so fucking pretty. You can actually tap it. With the molecule, you can actually, here it is. You can tap it and it change the color. You must see me tap it and it change the color. That is nice. I got to turn on light just to show you something. When I tap it now, this is it, right? So when I tap it now, you can, you see the button here. There's a button on the side, this button. It can change things. I'm going to show you now. You can change it. See? To the sun, Mars. Wait, wait on. There. Now see it? Change it again. I think that's Saturn. That's Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Mercury, Venus, Moon. You have a moon too. Mars. I have Jupiter. I have Saturn. This is so cute. Yeah. I think you have Earth. Why can't I find Earth? There's Earth. This is so fucking cool. This is what the side button right here says for. We go back on here, so we can add music, but we can't add music right now for sure. No? You can change things like can just make earth alone stay in there. Wow, see, that's so pretty. With the earth sign alone. This is so fucking pretty. This is disgusting pretty. Sick pretty. What? Kind of part earth. I know they might just me a change color different with earth. The blue one with earth, it look nice. Some on the moon, I can change the color of more on the moon, you know. You get me say? So me I go pan Mars, we can also change the color for Mars. Like you can change the color for all of them. I'm gonna show you about them first. In case you don't buy one. The board right here, so we say lid mode. This is it also work with a memory card, guys. One can put in a memory card. Some put lid mode, and if you want to change the sign, we use the side button. Yeah. I like it have button on it. We use the side button. We go open Venus. Now we use back the lid light, lid one I'm just showing you, and change the color on it. I think this works perfect with Venus because orangey shade, if you look at orange look. Alright, that's nice. Earth no. I think this color fit earth because it's like bluish. It's so fucking pretty. Moon. Like this because it look like stars. So it look nice. I feel like Mars after doing this, you know. I kinda give a little reddish look. You know Mars hot. Go Mercury hotter kind of near to the sun. So one of some cool things with the remote can do. Press flash on the remote. If you light, like you can flash it. We may take it off a flash now. Put it in a sleep mode. Sleep mode means to go slow. It's a level 2 a sleep mode. This is level 1. It's a auto mode. We can put it in auto. I'll show you now. See? It just automatically do it. It is auto. Auto looks so fucking cool. And then you can turn up the color. Yeah, you can turn it up, but you can actually turn it down. See it? Now follow what the remote say. So the brightness, you can turn up the brightness, and you can also turn down the brightness. So you go down, and you can turn it back up. You can go down also. You literally have time up on the remote where you can put it for half an hour, 1 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour. So even if you go away, it will lock off. This is so nice. If this is my favorite gift, I don't know what is, because this is such a thoughtful gift. Like, you know what I'm going to buy this myself? CJ, I love you so much for this. I do. Here is also another gift that someone brought me. It's so thoughtful. Hello, I'm not a big fan of Crocs. I don't really like Crocs, but them yeah. They may eat. Look at this nyam. This nyam. This looks so good. Like what? This is so good. Love it. It's small, nice size. Yeah, I like it. It's cute so far. This is another gift that CJ buy for me, but I take it out already. Can we use it to take a picture? Like if I take a night picture, it go brighter and brighter. You know when people make them a night picture now? This is the light. CJ buy for me again. Another thoughtful gift. CJ does always buy me the thoughtful gift. Them I don't know why. You just read my mind. Love it. Ashay. This is so fucking cute. Like bitch. This is gonna look so good. Palm wash I don't know which part of the house I'm put it yet. But this eats so bad. I literally love the picture. I don't know if we put it over here, so come feel like say it that look cute above this, you know. You get what I'm saying? I feel like it look cute right up here, so like it look good as the enter no woman see it. Yeah. So I don't know yet, but I don't know how to put it yet. But eventually I'm gonna find out. You feel like that look good also, Danny? Feel like that look good already? You can't say yes, you can't hear you. My grandmother don't talk in the video, she literally not talking. This is another gift that Felicia got me. Bro, this is such a nice gift. We go pay a bedside table, and anybody who know me knows that me love hear the sound of rain. I love hear the sound of rain. And the fact that this make rain sound, I don't know. This is probably one of the best gifts you can ever give me, because when I tell you I love rain, I love rain sound. And this has rain sound and it change color. So in the night, I will show me. On the box, it says several light color. You have white, red, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple. Yeah, that's what it said. You can pass through with it. Let's test it to pass through. So in the box, all you get is a charger string to plug it in, and this. Gear this in case the OLM, to open the OLM in case them tight. And as you can see, when I push it through it, when I push it through it show. See it show back. So if you make the OLM for you. So all I do, it come like this. All I do is put it on. You have to add water to it and don't make it pass the max line. Like so. You mark max line, as you can see. So we're going to get a cup of water and throw it in there. If you have none of them sweet something, you can put some in there and enough in there. So as I say, you're going to get this with it, and you have to buy this for your own. We have to see how it goes now. I turn it on. Yeah. I'm going to lock up my ring light. Hold on. It naturally changes color on its own. As you can see, it's changed color. And I want to hear the rain sound, so I'm going to pause the TV. I'm going to pause the TV for a minute so I can hear the rain sound. And while you hear the rain sound, the somewhere you put in the water, I smell up the water, so it will smell nice. This will definitely come make me jump asleep because of rain sound. I don't know what this you can do. You can stuck it on one color too, you know. I think. Okay. Just press it to stuck it on one color. The button here is the off button. The button here for the rain. This is no rain. This is light rain. This is heavy rain. And that is it, guys. It's so pretty. This is probably my favorite gift. I don't know, between it and the picture and the lights, it's a competition. Like, y'all all do yourself. This is a gift that Worms got me. My husband, Instagram husband, because I always say I'm a boyfriend. So he's not my boyfriend. But I don't know if people can select it. But before I open this, never open a gift that someone got me. Them always say the best gift comes in the littlest package. So let's say.
Already blood clot this.
It's a little cute, little chain. I'm grateful because at the end of the day, them never have to buy nothing. You get what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's better than nothing, but I expected more. Because one thing about me, I cannot hide my feelings and I cannot pretend. Like, I can't be fake. I just tell you how it is. It's a nice gift, but I expected more. You have my name on it. Oh, it's cute. It's actually cute to have my name on it. Name Amoy. Oh, this is thoughtful. It's very thoughtful. You can see inside first we are opening. And it's definitely something I wanted because actually I did buy me this last year for my birthday. It's like a map set now. Show me. Let's show me before we tell me the story. She did buy me the gift here as I told you last year. But because we didn't use it, we didn't open it at Kingston already. We just use it in the Kingston house. Because if you know me, I used to always stay at Kingston. When I'm bringing it to my house, I'm already used to the Kingston house. You must make it stay. So that's why I'm doing one back one and Worms got me it. Big up you, Worms. I do love and appreciate you. I really do. I'm so glad you're my friend.
Tell me something. What can go so? What can go so? Eh? Tell me. Talk to me.
The person who sit on the box I can't read.
Already blood clot this. I wear the bomber clot this.
17,000
I wear the
you
blood
like
clot
$9.
this.
I don't feel like I'm even. So I have to come show you.
This how press it.
What the fuck?
Murder to blood clot to Samantha.
I sent you this on
Run
Amazon
up to Samantha.
for $43. You go buy this for 17,000.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
No, me love you. I know you love me, but you shouldn't love me so. I know you love me, but you shouldn't love me so. Come here, tell you true. I wouldn't buy this for 17,000. $12 for one girl?
Why me for off one girl?
Supposed to have two girls? No, sir. Expensive, but not feel guilty like, can I buy so much money, bro? Why? Like, me not tell no lie, I feel a weird. Because it's just too much money. What? Because we can't give us so much money. You pay fees. And this is on Amazon for $46. So why you spend so much money for it? I can't believe I 17,000. What did I bet you can't money come in? I bet you did give me 17,000. I feel away now. I'm not lying, I feel away. Like, I'm glad to get me a friend. I love you. What? 17,000 friend?
Bro, what are you talking about,
I
man?
want you some and so. You got the extra mile. Now the time I have to buy a $20,000 gift. Mercy. But I have to buy a Prada bag. See there. This is the map. And there's something on the side where you just press it down and you spin the map. Thank you for this gift. Even though it's so expensive, guys, I still can't believe I have so much money for it. I really appreciate it. I do. I still feel like I spend a lot of money. You know one thing about me, tell the truth. Thank you guys for my gift, and I love you so much. See you guys in my next video.